TubeBuddy's helping you take a look back at your 2018 here on YouTube. Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Camp from TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy's Year in Review is back. To get started, you'll need to go to tubebuddy.com/year-in-review. This will also be in our pinned comment down below, as well as the video description. Once you're on this page, you will need to sign into TubeBuddy and select a channel. We'll select TubeBuddy. You can choose to select whether you want the sound off or on, and then sit back, relax, and watch your year in review. We break down how you began, your top 3 videos of 2018, your performance this year versus last year, and finally, how you're ending the year. Then we celebrate you into 2019. It's important to look back before moving forward to see what your audience enjoyed and to see if you've hit your goals. What is your goal for 2019? Our goal here at TubeBuddy is to make more amazing tools, services, and videos to help you grow on YouTube. We want to be your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Be sure to share your year in review with friends, as well as us here at TubeBuddy in those comments down below. Enjoy the tool? Consider sharing this video. If you want to ring in the new year with us here at TubeBuddy, consider hitting that bell notification icon. I'm Andrew Can from TubeBuddy, and from the entire TubeBuddy team, Happy New Year! I don't think I can beat the song.